A simple action leads to our attraction. Lifts me up from being solo.
Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and about the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me if I'd stayed in my city? Red, blue, and green.
Hi guys, good afternoon. It's 12:15 PM and nag-ayos ako kasi aalis kami ng best friend ko. Pupunta kami sa cafe kasi may tatapusin kami mga schoolworks. Tapos, isi-celebrate na din namin yung birthday niya kasi magbe-birthday na siya sa 29 and pakita ko sa inyo yung regalo ko sa kanya. Wait. Tada! So, ito yung gift ko sa kanya. Ito yung gusto niyang K-pop group, yung Enhypen. So, binilan ko siya ng K-pop album. Ayun, bibigay ko sa kanya mamaya. And paalis na ako ngayon kasi nandun na siya, nauna na siya. Pero malapit lang naman sa amin. So, ayan. Ang ano dito, tahimik lang siya, drink ko is iced matcha. Ano yung sa'yo?
Chocolate mountains.
Mountains ba?
Kala? Volcano.
Taste test. Order din kami ng cheesecake.
Wow, kung takot ako nag-on din naman. Meron ako nagawa.
After 2 hours. After 2 hours. 1 hour per paragraph. So, bibigay ko na yung bibigay ko na yung gift niya. Yung pinakita ko sa kanila kanina yung gift.
Ay, ba? Kaya naunahan niyo pa ako makita? Tama ba yan?
Actually, nasa pouch siya.
Oh my gosh. Pati yung pouch sa akin.
Oh!
Kasi, oh my gosh. Alam niyo ba? Ay, hindi.
Ano? Kinuha na lang.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Napakaguli kong friend. I'm the best friend of the year. Uwi mo ka masira.
Oh my God, no.
Hi guys! Good morning and I'm sorry kung may background noise pero for today, it's actually... Where's my phone? It's September 15. It's 10:48 AM. For today's agenda, I'm sorry kung may mga pimple ano pa ako dyan. May drying lotion pa ako. Pero anyway, pupunta ako sa hair salon kasi magpapakulay na ako ng hair. So, ang appointment ko is after lunch. So, around 1 PM. Ngayon, maliligo na ako. And hindi ko na babasain yung hair ko kasi alam ko naman mamaya i-rinse to. Tapos i-wash ulit. Paulit-ulit lang. So, okay na yan. And, yun. So guys, eto na yung hair ko ngayon and until now hindi pa din ako sanay sa itsura ko ngayon, pero I like my hair. So yan yung kinalabasan ng hair ko from yesterday. Actually, yesterday pa yung mga clips. Kasi late na ako nakauwi kagabi from the salon. Mga 9 o'clock na ako nakauwi kasi sobrang tagal nung ginawa sa akin. Pero it's all worth it naman. Look at it. And sobrang like no hair, no me. Pero we have another exciting thing na kakarating lang today, which is dumating na yung play button. Hindi ko pa siya binubuksan kasi balak kong i-unbox with you guys. So, oh my gosh! I'm gonna give you guys another angle para mas makita niyo yung pag-unbox ko sa kanya. So, well, that's what are we waiting for. Guys, yung box niya, nakalagay lang dyan YouTube. And, ayan, tinatakpan ko lang yung address ko. Pero, oh my god, ayan na siya! Oh my god! Kita niyo ba, guys? Oh, may paper! Oh my god! So wait, ito muna unahin natin. Pero nakikita ko na siya. Guys, ang ganda ng paper though. Hindi nila tinipid yung paper. Ang ganda niya. Anong paper nyo, YouTube? So, kukunin ko lang siya, guys. Oh my god, ang linaw nitong part na to. Para siyang salamin. Guys! Stephanie Concepcion! Oh, thank you guys so much. Kung wala kayo, kung di nyo ako pinapanood, wala to sa akin ngayon. And, ayun, I want to thank you guys again. I know sa last video ko, nag-thank you na ako sa inyo, pero again, nagre-reflect. Pero again, thank you guys so much. I'm so grateful, so thankful, and I love you all so much. Kakagising ko lang ngayon kasi kakatapos lang ng klase ko, and usually after classes talagang natutulog ako para ma-recharge ako, ganon. And especially later magre-review ako for tomorrow because we have 3 exams tomorrow, Prob Stat, Contemporary Arts, and Religion, and we have to review. So ayun, magre-review tayo today. Pero guys, before we review, we have to clean my table. Kasi dyan tayo magre-review mamaya. So, kailangan malinis siya. Tingnan mo, may candy pa doon. So, that's the first task for this afternoon. Maglilinis. Maglilinis ka, Mela. Maglilinis ka. Yes. Okay, let's clean. Okay, maglilinis. Yan na yung after ng paglilinis ko. And hindi siya ganun ka sobrang organized kasi sobrang dami kong mga gamit dyan. And may mga papers doon, ganun. So, as much as possible, tinry ko na lang sila ilagay dun sa likod. And, ayan. At least, hindi na siya dusty. Wala na yung pagkain and everything. So, now I'm planning to order some coffee from SB. I'm gonna update you guys once my coffee is here or yeah, while I'm doing my notes.
Is everything a dream? I don't know what this means. Time has been slow, it seems. Cover your face while we blame the 19. So many different.
So, dumating na yung order ko and nag-order ako ng coffee, ng frappuccino, and then ng bread.
Raindrops came down on me, the sky became the sea. The sea. I find it difficult to trace the face you please. So please, don't flick the blade around, choke up my delicacy. Oh, we bathed under the stars until we fell apart.
Guys, this is my outfit for the day. This one is from Shopee. You can see this from my past Shopee haul, pero it's from weanya.ph. For the sweatpants, again, from weanya.ph siya. And ikaw na naman kasama ko nun sa first part.
White North. Diba? Ano ba? Ganun mo gagawin?
Ayoko.